Hey, welcome back to LR Options. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Okay, so I want to go back and I want to look at Friday's stock for Southwest Airlines company. And what I wanted to see was in the 15-minute time frame, how the stock gapped up from the previous close and see how far it came up away from the indicators. Okay, usually when that happens, it's a good indication that it's going to fill in that empty space that it gapped up, that it's going to fill it right back up. So that means the stock is going to be going to heavy selling. So it's going to be, that's a good time to enter a put trade. So once you see the stock is turning to a large red bar, that's a good time to get in there. Enter your trade. We've got a confirming red candle, then we've got another red candle, so it's a lot of selling going on. Then you've got a green bar. Great time to get out. You should have made a great profit by this time. So again, gapping trades, actually gapping stocks. Okay, they have really, where else are they going to go? Up here, of course they're going to come back down. Most of the time, or a lot of the time, they're coming back down towards that indicator. Okay, and you just close out for a profit. All right, well, if you liked what we saw here, please consider subscribing, comment, like, share, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.